Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for 2nd standard. Children, today we will learn about lesson number 13, pattern. In this chapter we will learn about observe and write patterns in sequence of shapes and numbers. Search for patterns in different ways of splitting number. Children, today we will learn about patterns. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. We all must have seen the different kinds of patterns in our daily life, like on cloths, bed sheets, saree borders, garlands, etc. Look at the bracelet. We have a square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, and so on. This is called a pattern. As it is repeating itself, look, we get the pattern. Now let us try making few more patterns. Look at this bag of flashcards. Each card has a pattern of dots. Look, we have arranged few cards according to the increasing order of the dots. Starting with a card with 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots. Children, let us follow the same pattern and find out the next 4 cards. Yes, correct. The next card will be with 6 dots, then 7 dots, then 8 dots, and lastly 9 dots. Children, now we can find the pattern in letters. Now observe the given pattern and write the next 4 letters. We can see that letter A and letter B are placed alternatively. This becomes our pattern. So the next letter will be letter A, then letter B, then again letter A, and lastly letter B. Children, now we should complete this pattern. First we have triangle, circle and rectangle. Now we should repeat this pattern. First they have given triangle. After triangle, what is there? Circle. So we should draw circle. After circle, what is there? Yes, rectangle. So we should draw rectangle. Children, see the next question. First we have circle, square and triangle. Now we should repeat this pattern. First they have given circle. After circle, what is there? Yes, square. So we should draw square. After square, what is there? Yes, triangle. So we should draw triangle. After triangle, what is there? Yes, circle. So we should draw circle. Children, see this pattern. First we have 2 rectangles. Then we have 2 triangles. Now we should repeat this pattern. After 2 rectangles, what is there? Yes, 2 triangles. So we should draw 2 triangles. See the next pattern. First we have 2 squares. Then we have 1 triangle. Again 2 squares and 1 triangle. Now we should repeat this pattern. First, which shape is there? Yes, square. So we should draw square. After 2 squares, what is there? Yes, 1 triangle. So we should draw 1 triangle. Children, look at this pattern. What are these? Yes, these are arrow marks. The first one is going up. The second one is going right side. The third one is blank. The fourth one is going left side. Now we should find the third one. The remaining one is down. Like that only we will complete the next one. It will be up, right, down, left. Next we have a pattern which has triangles in downwards and upwards. The next pattern will be downwards and upwards triangles. Next, which one will come here, children? Yes, downwards triangle. Next, we have upward triangle and downward triangle. Here, which one will come? Yes, upwards triangle. Children, now we will complete the following pattern. First, we have one L. Next, we have two L's. Next, we have three L's. Now we will complete the pattern in the same order. Next we will get 4 L's. Next we will get 5 L's. Next we will get 6 L's. Children, look at this pattern. First we have 1x. Next we have 2x. Like that only we will complete the same way. How many x we will write here? 1, 2, yes, we should write here 3x. Next we have 4x. How many x you should write here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we should write 5x. Children, see this pattern. In this pattern they have used matchsticks and they have made Roman numeral number 9 with it. They have repeated it. Like that only we have completed this pattern. Children, now we will see the pattern and guess the next numbers and also write the rule in the box. See the first question. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. To find out the next number, we should subtract 15 from 20. What is 20 minus 15? Yes, 20 minus 15 is equals to 5. So, first we should add 5 to 35. 35 plus 5, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. 45 plus 5, 50. See the next question. 15, 13, 11, 9. To find out the next number, we should find the difference between 15 and 13. What is 15 minus 13? Yes, 15 minus 13 is equals to 2. This pattern is in ascending order or descending order? Yes, descending order. So we should find out the next number. We should subtract 2 from 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. See the next pattern. 10, 12, dash, 16, dash, 20, dash, 24. Children, now we should find out the next number. To find out the next number, we should subtract 10 from 12. What is 12 minus 10? Yes, 12 minus 10 is equals to 2. Children, see this pattern. This pattern is in ascending order or descending order? Yes, ascending order. So we should find out the next number. we should add 2 to 12. What is 12 plus 2? 12 plus 2 is equals to 14. Here they are given 16. Now we should add 16 to 2. What is 16 plus 2? 18. Next they have given 20. Now we should add 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2, 22. Children, see this question. 48, 44, 40, 36, dash, 28, dash and dash. Here we should find out the next number. We should subtract 44 from 48. What is 48 minus 44? Yes, 48 minus 44 is equals to 4. Children, see this pattern. This pattern is in ascending order or descending order? Yes, descending order. So, we should find out the next number. We should subtract 4 from 36. What is 36 minus 4? Yes, 32. 32 minus 4? 28. They have already given 28. So we should find out the next number. To find out the next number, we should subtract 4 from 28. What is 28 minus 4? Yes, 24. Next we should subtract 4 from 24. 24 minus 4? 20. See the next question. 22, 32, dash, 52, dash, dash, 82, dash. To find out the next number, we should subtract 22 from 32. What is 32 minus 22? Yes, 32 minus 22 is equals to 10. To find out the next number, we should add 10 to 32. 32 plus 10, 42. 42 plus 10, 52. They have already given 52. Next we should add 10 to 52. 52 plus 10, 62. 62 plus 10, 72. 72 plus 10, 82. 82 they have already given. Next we should find out the next number. Find out the next number, we should add 10 to 82. 82 plus 10, 92. See this question. 6, 12, dash, 24, dash. To find out the missing number, we should subtract 6 from 12. What is 12 minus 6? Yes, 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. Children, see this pattern. This pattern is in increasing order or decreasing order? Yes, this pattern is in increasing order. So we should add 6 to 12. What is 12 plus 6? Yes, 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. Then missing number is 18. Next we should add 18 plus 6. What is 18 plus 6? Yes, 18 plus 6 is equals to 24. They have already given 24. To find out the next number, we should add 24 to 6. 24 plus 6? 30. So the next missing number is 30. Children, see the next question. 36, 31, dash, 21, 16, dash. To find out the missing number, we should subtract second number from first number. Means we should subtract 31 from 36. What is 36 minus 31? Yes, 36 minus 31 is equals to 5. Children, look at this pattern. This pattern is in increasing order or decreasing order? Yes, decreasing order. To find out the next number, we should subtract 5 from 31. What is 31 minus 5? Yes, 31 minus 5 is equals to 26. So the next missing number is 26. The next number is 21. And the next number is 16. Next we have dash. To find out the next number, we should subtract 5 from 16. What is 16 minus 5? Yes, 16 minus 5 is equals to 11. So the next missing number is 11. See this question. 35, 30, dash, 20, dash, 10. To find out the missing number, we should subtract 30 from 35. What is 35 minus 30? Yes, 35 minus 30 is equals to 5. Now we should find out the next number. To find out the next number, we should subtract 5 from 30. 30 minus 5? 25. The next missing number is 25. Next we have 20. To find out the missing number, we should subtract 5 from 20. 20 minus 5? 15. The next missing number is 15. See the next question. 7, 17, 27, dash, dash, 57. To find out the missing number, we should subtract 7 from 17. What is 17 minus 7? Yes, 17 minus 7 is equals to 10. Children, see this pattern. This pattern is in increasing order or decreasing order? Yes, increasing order. To find out the missing number, we should add 10 to 27. 27 plus 10? Yes, 37. The next missing number is 37. To find out the next missing number, we should add 10 to 37. What is 37 plus 10? Yes, 37 plus 10 is equals to 47. The next missing number is 47. See the next question. 8, 16, dash, 32, dash and dash. To find out the missing number, we should subtract 8 from 16. What is 16 minus 8? Yes, 16 minus 8 is equals to 8. See this pattern. This is increasing order or decreasing order? Yes, increasing order. To find out the next missing number, we should add 8 to 16. What is 16 plus 8? Yes, 16 plus 8 is equals to 24. The next missing number is 24. Next we have 32. To find out the next missing number, we should add 8 to 32. What is 32 plus 8? Yes, 32 plus 8 is equals to 40. The next missing number is 40. We find out the next missing number. We should add 8 to 40. What is 40 plus 8? Yes, 40 plus 8 is equals to 48. The next missing number is 48. See this question. 30, 25, dash, 15, dash, 5. To complete this pattern, first we should subtract 25 from 30. What is 30 minus 25? Yes, 30 minus 25 is equals to 5. To find out the next number, we should subtract 5 from 25. What is 25 minus 5? Yes, 25 minus 5 is equals to 20. The next missing number is 20. Next we have 15. To find out the next missing number, we should subtract 5 from 15. What is 15 minus 5? Yes, 15 minus 5 is equals to 10. The next missing number is 10. See the next question. 19, 23, dash, 31, dash. To find out the missing number, we should subtract 19 from 23. What is 23 minus 19? Yes, 23 minus 19 is equals to 4. Children, see this pattern. This pattern is in increasing order or decreasing order? Yes, increasing order. So we should add 4 to 23. What is 23 plus 4? Yes, 23 plus 4 is equals to 27. The next missing number is 27. Next we have 31. 31 plus 4? 35. The last number is 35. See the next question. 71 dash 51 41 dash dash. To find out the missing number, we should subtract 41 from 51. What is 51 minus 41? Yes, 51 minus 41 is equals to 10. Children, see this question. This question is in increasing order or decreasing order? Yes, decreasing order. So, to find out the next number, we should subtract 10 from 71. What is 71 minus 10? Yes, 71 minus 10 is equals to 61. The next missing number is 61. Next we have 51 and 41. To find out the next number, we should subtract 10 from 41. What is 41 minus 10? Yes, 31. The next missing number is 31. To find out the next number, we should subtract 10 from 31. What is 31 minus 10? Yes, 21. The next missing number is 21. Children, now we should complete the triangle in each case. Here we have triangles. Each triangle divided into 3 parts. In first triangle we have 4, 6, 8 in the 3 parts. We should find the difference of each part. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. So the difference between each part is 2. So we should add 2 to each. Next part, first we have 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 is given. 22 plus 2, 24. So we should write 24. Next we have 34. 34 plus 2, 36. So we should write 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 38 is given. Children, now we will solve this question. First triangle we have 10, 15, 20. In the 3 parts, we should find the difference each part. 20 minus 15 is equals to 5. 15 minus 10 is equals to 5. So the difference of each part is 5. So we should subtract 5 from 60. 60 minus 5, 55. 55 is given. 55 minus 5, 50. So we will write 50. In next triangle we have 70. To find the next number, add 5 to 70. 70 plus 5, 75. So we will write 75. Next we should add 75 to 5. 75 plus 5, 80. So we will write 80. In this question, first triangle we have 8, 15, 22. In the three parts, we should find the difference each part. 22 minus 15, 7. 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. So the difference of each part is 7. In the next triangle we have 30. We should find out the next number. We should add 7 to 30. 30 plus 7, 37. So we should write 37. Next we should add 37 to 7. 37 plus 7, 44. So we should write 44. In next triangle, first we have 52. To find the next number, we should add 7 to 52. 52 plus 7, 59. So we should write 59. To find the next number, we should add 7 to 59. 59 plus 7 is equals to 66. So we should write 66. Children, now we should follow the pattern and complete the series. In the first question, we should add 3 to each number. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. So we should write 17. 17 plus 3, 20. So we should write 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So we should write 23. In the next question we have add 5 to each number. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. So we should write 30. 30 plus 5, 35. So we should write 35. 35 plus 5, 40. So we should write 40. See the third question. Subtract 7 from each number. 39 minus 7, 32. 32 minus 7, 25. 25 minus 7, 18. So we should write 18. 18 minus 7, 11. So we should write 11. 11 minus 7, 4. So we should write 4. See the next question. Add 10 to each number. 9 plus 10, 19. 19 plus 10, 29. 29 plus 10, 39. So we should write 39. 39 plus 10, 49. So we should write 49. 49 plus 10, 59. So we should write 59. See the next question. Subtract 5 from each number. 50 minus 5, 45. 45 minus 5, 40. 40 minus 5, 35. So we should write 35. 35 minus 5, 30. So we should write 30. 30 minus 5, 25. So we should write 25. Children, now we should complete the pattern. It is a addition tree. First we have 20. By adding which two numbers do we get 20? Yes, 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is given. Now we have this 10. By adding which two numbers do we get 10? Yes, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is already given. Now we have this 10. By adding which two numbers do we get 10? Yes, 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So we should write 5 and 5. Now we will solve second one. First we have 20. One number is given, which is 10. By adding which number to 10 do we get 20? Yes, 10. So we should write 10. Now we have this 10, where one among them is 2. By adding which two numbers to 2 do we get 10? Yes, 4 and 4. So we should write 4 and 4. 4 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 10. Next we have this 10. One number is given, which is 3. By adding which number to 3 do we get 10? Yes, 7. So we should write 7. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. Next we will solve third sum. First we have 24. One number is given, which is 12. By adding which number to 12 do we get 24? Yes, 12. So we should write 12. 12 plus 12 is equals to 24. Now we have this 12. One number is given, which is 6. By adding which number to 6 do we get 12? Yes, 6. So we should write 6. 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Next we have this 12. One number is given, which is 4. By adding which two numbers to 4 do we get 12? Yes, 4 and 4. So we should write 4 and 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Children, do this homework. Do the activity. Create block patterns by stamping thumb prints, leaf prints, and vegetable prints. List out any 3 things in which you find some patterns around your surroundings and complete the textbook page number 227, 228, 230, 231, 232, 235, 236, 237, 238 and 241.